my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a empty apartment tour. I'm kind of doing it for selfish reasons because I feel like this is my last apartment before I move into a house, and I want to look back one day and see my apartment. And also, yeah, I just feel like it's my last opportunity to ever do an apartment tour. I'm gonna show you guys around. I'm actually just transferring apartments. I already live in the building. Finally gonna have more storage. That's been an issue. It's been a journey, y'all. I've been in LA for a while. As you know, LA is expensive. Some stuff a little familiar. Like I said, I already live in the building. I'm just transferring to a larger unit. Let's get started. So messy in here, so I gotta move all this stuff. Luckily, I have like 2 days to do it, so that's good. I'm gonna be doing a empty tour for you guys. So I'm gonna head on over right down the hall and around the corner and show you this apartment. Before we get into the tour, if you guys are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I have these nasty rubber bands, and now you guys know. I'm sure you've seen my braces by now. Yeah, anyways. And I tried to do my fox eyes today, but I don't know if it worked out. I really tried it. I tried the new fox eye trend. I mean, I thought it looked cute. Whatever, anyways. So, if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Comment below. And I think that's enough of an intro. Let's get into this empty apartment tour. Well, hello. Welcome. So we are gonna get started. As soon as you come in, when you turn to the left here, we have a little coat closet. So we already have some cleaning supplies in here, but this is pretty similar to my other apartment. Like I said, I already live in the building, so this stuff is pretty much the same. And then over here, I have the washer and dryer, stackable unit. This is nice. And we're gonna shift this way, and we have the kitchen right here. So this is like a little pantry. Again, have some stuff going on in there. We're about to do some cleaning, and then the trash is right below. This is our fridge. I actually had this fridge in one of my apartments, and I really like it because I can get my water and my ice and everything like that. So fridge situation, freezer, really nice, really cool. And just kind of have some storage and cabinets and shelving situations. So I'm kind of sad because, like I said, I live here already, and I'm kind of losing some cabinets, so I'm really not happy about that. Like I have an extra cabinet over here that I pretty much put my supplements in and protein shakes and stuff like that. So I'm kind of losing that, which I'm not excited about. And then on this side, I had some open shelving, which was really cute because I had my wine glasses out, and I'm gonna miss that. So I'm kind of losing some storage in the kitchen, so I'm not really happy about that. And then I had some, like a set of drawers, which came in really handy as far as storing some extra kitchen utensils, like Tupperware lids and stuff like that. I feel like those are always in the way. So a pretty standard kitchen. It's actually a bit smaller than my kitchen right now, so not too happy about that, but can't complain. I'm gaining more space for you. So if you come over this way, this is the living room area. And right now I have sliding doors, which lead to my patio or balcony. So that's a bit different. I have windows now. I didn't have windows before, so I'm really excited about that. And then we also have kind of the balcony door right here. And then obviously entertainment center section right here, TV and stuff. Yeah, pretty standard, pretty straightforward. Love it. Another thing I like about this apartment is like all the cute lighting. There's some like lights up there as well. And we're gonna head over this way. So if you turn to the left, that's going to be the guest bathroom. Super cute and spacious. I hate when you can see the toilet behind you because you can't take a mirror pic, or if you see the shower or the tub behind you. I finally just have a door behind me. So in my current space right now, you see the tub behind me, and personally that's a pet peeve for me, so I just don't like taking like little mirror pics. but now I feel like I finally can. Candles going. This candle smells so good. Flamingo Beach. Got some storage here and some drawers, which always come in handy. And then if you come over this way, I have some open shelving, so I'll just probably put some decor and stuff. Just kind of have some stuff out that I brought in already. And my cell phone is hanging right there. So super excited about that. And again, more storage. Like I do not have this right now. I do not have any storage really right now. I have just like one little closet, one bathroom. So nice sized tub. I love taking baths. And again, just some more storage. You guys, I'm just ecstatic. So I can just put toilet paper in here, overflow candles, and just find me more storage. So that's important. Obviously just the toilet. So there we go. And like I said, I'm just so excited to just be able to like, you know, so I'm really excited about that. And I can just come in here and do like little selfies, morning story post or something. That's really cute. Okay, so we're gonna head this way, little hallway area. And this could be nice. A mirror as well over here. Just gonna figure out where I want stuff. And yeah, we're gonna head to this bedroom now. I'm gonna take out my shoes because that's important. So this is gonna be my, let me turn the lights on. It's gonna be like my little filming space, office, slash guest bedroom, slash beauty room. It's gonna serve a lot of purposes. Glam room, you know. So I'm really excited because I finally can have some company come over. My first visitor will have to be my mom. She's the first person who has to come. No one else can come unless she comes first. And yeah, it's just nice to have a dedicated filming room and kind of glam and beauty room, just my own personal space where I can be creative, get work done, and I can get just more consistent with this content. It has like a little ceiling fan. Pretty straightforward. Probably gonna put some shelving stuff over here and display all my little like cute and luxury items. And that's the closet. So the balcony's in here, or the sliding doors are in here, which I'm not too happy about because I'm kind of losing a wall. So I'm gonna have to figure out that situation. I would have preferred it in the living room. So that's kind of the difference between this apartment and my own apartment. Actually, if I look outside, I can see my old apartment. So I'm gonna be so sad when I see someone sitting on my balcony because yeah, it's my balcony. But super cute. And we are gonna just open this door right here and this fuse box, which I sure will be covering up with some artwork. I already got some stuff in here, closets, and already got some stuff going in there. That's where this type of stuff is mainly going to be. So I just put it in this room. So like I said, filming right now is just a process. I basically film in my living room and I have to kind of move furniture aside, get the lights out, hook up the camera and hook up wires and the monitor. It's just a process. So I'm very thankful and very blessed. I've actually spoke this into existence and God provided. We wanted an apartment on the same side because we really like the side that we're on and we wanted to be on the top floor. Or we are on the top floor right now. So we didn't want to compromise those two things, our view and the floor that we're on. And luckily it worked out. When I tell you I spoke it into existence, I was not playing. So I'm just so excited because now I can just try to be more consistent with this content and I just can come in a room and press the button and film because I just have so much that I want to do and so much lined up already. So we're gonna head back out, just excuse the rambling, and we're gonna head over to the master bedroom. So I like that I have this little wall here. I'm gonna probably put another large mirror here. Love mirrors, they just make your apartment look better and I just can see myself. So this is the the master bedroom. It's much bigger than my room now. My apartment now is a corner apartment, so everything's like kind of slanted. I like it because it has all these cute nooks and crannies. So this is kind of your standard, straightforward 2-bedroom apartment, but it kind of works out because the master bedroom's a lot bigger. And there's kitchen right there. And again, I have windows, so right now that door that you see in the living room, we have that door in our bedroom. It leads to like the little Juliet or balcony situation. So it's nice to have windows. So I love sleeping with the windows open, the fan on. Like I need white noise so I can go to sleep. That is just straightforward master bedroom. Bed's obviously gonna go here, TV and dresser and stuff like that. And yeah, pretty straightforward. And we're gonna head into the, I don't even know where lights are yet, master bedroom. No, we're going to head into the master bathroom. So this is the same tub that I have now and also in the other bathroom. So I love taking baths. That's what really sold me on this apartment, just the size of the bathtub. Kind of has more of a modern aesthetic, which I really like. And I have a double vanity again. My previous apartment had a double vanity, or like 2 apartments ago, so I missed my double vanity. I'm so excited to have it back. Everyone can have their own dedicated space. And again, just have my drawers for some storage and stuff like that. And yeah, like perfect, okay? Really excited about that. The toilet room, I have a toilet room. Who am I? Yes, boo. And someone likes to hog the bathroom, so it's just nice to have a private space in here. You can come in and close the door and just be in here by your lonely. And if someone still needs to take a shower or use the sink, they're able to, because right now that is one of my biggest problems. So that's really, really nice. And on top of that, God has provided, so I have a second bathroom, so that's amazing. So it's so nice to have a toilet room, and this I need is storage. I need storage, okay? So up here, obviously gonna have towels and stuff like that. Probably put some cleaning supplies and overflow beauty products down there because I am a product junkie. So it's just so nice. Got some lights, which are a little dim and yellow to me, so I might switch these light bulbs out. And yeah, and we are entering, or here we got a towel rack and put some artwork right here. And we are entering the master closet. Nice, ample space. I feel like it's pretty much the same size as my closet right now. So I think it's a little bigger. Got some stuff in here already. We just got back from our trip. By the time you guys see this, my Cabo vlog will be up. So make sure you guys check that out. Yeah, we just got back from our trip. That's why these tags are still on the suitcases. And I had an amazing time. Came back a fiance, honey. Yeah, just moving up. A lot of blessings, a lot of new things. So yeah, I guess that is the full apartment tour. Never done one before. Let me know if you guys want to like see the decorating process and transformation process. Like I said, I already live here, so I already have furniture. I'll probably be switching stuff out and updating stuff as I see fit. So thankful to have more space. God is good, God has provided. Your girl has also worked very, very hard, okay? Hard. This is just the highlight for me right here. I get to connect with you guys more, film more videos, have my own personal creative space. I literally, when I tell you I prayed for this, I just wanted my own just creative world, and it's such a blessing. I'm so thankful. I literally put it in the atmosphere and God provided. It's just, I don't know, it's just like, it's a little surreal. This is something that I've always wanted. And then, like I said, now I can have family come over, most importantly my mom, because I miss her so much, and she's all the way on the East Coast, and now she can come visit me. And yeah, I'm just so excited. No, somebody's turning up over there. What's she doing? No, I'm gonna put that on there. Hi, fiance. Well, I took my ring off because we're moving and I don't want to like mess it up. So we're about to kind of go through and do like our own little version of deep cleaning and stuff like that before we start moving everything else in. I have 2 days to move, so I want to get the bulk of it done today and then clean up my old apartment and hand in my keys. Subscribe to my channel and make sure you stay tuned because now I have no excuse. A lot more content's coming, a lot of things that I finally am able to do. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. To subscribe to my channel because obviously a lot more content is coming now that I have a dedicated space to film. So I'm really happy and really thankful for that. Comment below and I will see you guys soon. Okay.